Right, well I felt I needed a little bit of a change of pace to get away from the bodywork, so I've decided to do a little bit of work on the exhaust system. I've got the inlet manifold all painted up there, as is the exhaust manifold. I've put all new studs, stud washers and nuts onto the head to hold that all together, and that all looks the part. I actually bought a set of exhaust pipes to do the job, and I've got those pretty much installed. Probably the bigger issue was to get that exhaust pipe square onto the exhaust manifold so that it'll seal up properly, and that's necessitated quite a bit of manipulation with the pipe system. It runs along underneath the floorboards there. This was in 3 pieces, and then you've got back in that area a couple of brackets welded on to accommodate the original type bracket. Because I didn't use an original type muffler, that the inlet and the outlet are offset on a little bit, I had to relocate that little bracket. That wasn't all that difficult, and like I said, I didn't buy an original muffler. I got that little sports muffler from the muffler shop. The guy told me that they put them on MGBs, and it's actually fitted up quite well. I didn't have to cut anything off the pipe, the exhaust pipe at all, and it's all just fitted in. But like I said, it's been a little bit of a challenge to make it all sit right without having any pressure in any particular spot anywhere. The main issue was in this centre area here, as I did have to roll that pipe a little bit to make it all work, like I said, and modify that little bracket there. But it's all come together quite well. I think the little muffler works quite well. The original one was about $200, and I got this one for $65. So, not being in any way a concourse build on this car, I'm happy enough to compromise there. But anyway, we'll get on with it a little bit more and get it finished and show you what we end up with. There is another little bracket that goes across from there to there, and I've made that up. I've actually put a captive nut on that. It was a little bit hard to manipulate the nut through that hole there, so that that'll go on there that way, so that's going to fit up all okay. So I'll get on with that now and see if I can get the rest of it sorted. I'll give this little bracket a little bit of silver paint, tidy it up, but yeah, it's all sort of coming along okay.